If you work with data every day, you know the feeling. The raw exports keep piling up, and you're stuck performing the same sequences of cleaning and sorting every morning. Repeating these steps manually consumes several hours of your work week. It also increases the likelihood of a small fatigue-based error ruining an entire report. Instead of fighting the spreadsheet, we are going to build a custom tool that executes all of your formatting steps instantly. You only need two things to follow along: the desktop version of Microsoft Excel and a sample of your raw data. Setting up this automation ensures that the computer handles the repetitive layout work, allowing you to focus on the actual data. By default, Excel hides its most capable automation tools to keep the interface clean. We now need to make them visible. Move your cursor to the blank space on the top ribbon of your workbook, right-click, and select Customize the ribbon. This opens the main settings menu. In the right-hand column, scroll down until you locate the box labeled Developer. Check that box and then click OK. When you return to your spreadsheet, you will see a new Developer tab sitting at the top of your workspace. This tab is your control center for background settings, providing the tools necessary to automate your repetitive tasks. Inside the Developer tab is the Macro Recorder. A macro is a saved sequence of instructions. The recorder memorizes every click and keystroke you make so the software can repeat them on demand. The recorder is literal. It memorizes mistakes just as easily as correct steps, so if you misclick or delete the wrong row, that error becomes a permanent part of the code. This diagram shows the objective: a clean, linear path of actions. Mentally map out exactly what you want to do. Click Record Macro and give your sequence a title, like Daily Format. The system is now watching. Now perform your manual tasks. Adjust your column widths, apply conditional formatting rules, set up your pivot table filters, and align your data. The moment you finish your final adjustment, return to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording. Do not perform any additional clicks until the tracking is halted. By recording a clean run of these complex steps, you've created a digital set of instructions that never gets tired or misses a cell. The code now exists in the background. Next, we need a physical way to trigger it directly from the work surface. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and draw a rectangle on your worksheet. You can type Run Format inside the shape to label it. Right-click your shape and choose Assign Macro. Select the name of the sequence you just recorded and click OK. Click anywhere else on the sheet to deselect the shape. Now when you hover over the button, your cursor will transform into a dedicated interaction icon. Attaching your background code to a simple button makes the tool easy to use, even for colleagues who have never seen the Developer tab. There is one final technical step required to protect your work. If you skip this, Excel will discard your automation. Standard Excel files cannot store background code. If you save as a default workbook, your macro will be deleted the moment you close the application. Open the Save As menu and look at the File Type dropdown. You must select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, which uses the .xlsm extension. Choosing this file format is the only way to ensure your automation survives for your next shift. Now imagine it's tomorrow morning. You paste a completely fresh, disorganized, and unformatted dataset into your environment. Instead of spending the morning manually cleaning rows and columns, you simply move your cursor to your custom button and click. The sequence executes every filter and alignment role simultaneously. The formatting tasks that used to fill 2 hours of your day are finished in a single second. Using these internal tools shifts the burden of repetitive work from you back to the software. Follow me for more smart work tools.